Bless up everybody worldwide. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, today's video is going to be all about Koch-Chemie's Gummifix. I've heard a lot about it. It's not brand new. I guess I'm a little bit late to the product, but I've never tried it, so I'm excited to try it today, especially to rejuvenate rubber mats. So we're going to be working on this mat. I got the Green Star diluted 10:1 and the canister ready to go. I got the drill gun to use to agitate, and I got applicator pad to actually apply the Gummifix. So let's get to work. So yeah man, we have a nice clean mat now. Let's dry it up a little bit. And what we can do, what I'm going to try to do at least, is going to run a piece of tape down the middle and apply the Gummifix on one side and then compare it to the next side. Instructions say, use a sponge or spray bottle to apply evenly to clean on a dry, clean surface. Apply, leave to dry. Okay. Remember guys, always read your product instructions. So let me just go ahead and use this applicator pad and apply. Try your best to apply evenly. Getting all the grooves. I'm definitely seeing a difference already. So I'm going to put a little bit more on and leave it to dry for a tad bit longer. Alright viewers, I hope you can see the difference. I certainly can from here. So what I'm going to do is just finish up the rest of the mat, and then we're going to let the whole thing dry, and then I'm going to give it the touch test to see if it's slippery or not. It applies very easily, super easy. No rocket science behind this product at all. Just make sure you get in the grooves of the mat itself. And you know, you should be good to go. Just like so. All right, the product has been applied. It has been sitting here for a while now to dry. So I'm going to give it a touch test to see if it's actually slippery or not. And it's actually not slippery at all. It's pretty dry to the touch, which is awesome. Because like I mentioned earlier, the last thing you want is slippery floor mats, right? Especially when your customer goes in, taking off with their ride, and then their feet are all sliding all over by the pedals. Not a good look and definitely not safe. So I would say the Gummifix, I like it. 2 thumbs up. Koch-Chemie always puts out good stuff. I think the floor mat looks great, and you know, it could be used as an easy add-on. I don't know, extra $50 to rejuvenate some floor mats. Easy application, not going to take any time. That's a quick 50 or a quick whatever you want to charge to the bill. So 2 thumbs up, like I said. So anyway, guys, I'm going to leave a link to the Gummifix in the description. You can click it, check it out if you want. You know the vibes. Every Wednesday, 4 p.m., we're giving you some hot content. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you subscribe if you're not. Bless up.